is a balance sheet. A balance sheet is one of the three major financial statements that a business produces to provide a summarization of where the business stands at the end of a reporting period. A reporting period is a specified period of time, such as a calendar year or a quarter of the year. The balance sheet is a snapshot of the assets, liabilities, and owner's equity as of the last day of the reporting period. This allows readers of the financial statements to have a firm understanding about the structure of the business. To learn more about this topic and many others through audio lectures, video lectures, and study guides, head over to www.thelearningbeanonline.com. Link is in the description below. If you have any questions, add them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so we know to answer more of your questions.